everyone. It is 2022 rifle season here in Missouri, and we got snow on the ground, which is mind blowing. It is just now getting daylight, and I just got set up not too long ago. I was trying to get my dad set up. He is over this way on that ridge. I had some ducks fly in on this pond, which is while I was sitting up. But 2 days ago it was 78 degrees, and that is literally Missouri, man. I'm sorry, I should shut up, I should be quiet, but I can't believe it. 2 years ago, I remember, opening day of rifle season, I hunted Pea Ridge, this public conservation area, and we had storms move through that morning, and I had hail coming in on me. Unbelievable. Today is much more ideal for rifle season. Praying my dad gets his first deer today. I was incredibly noisy this morning. I climbed a dead tree with my climber. Didn't even realize it. I'm all set tight, and I'm praying that he's able to shoot his first deer today. So here we go. Rifle season's here. Let's do this. Gunshots going on. Heard a total of about 5 this morning. 5 gunshots this morning. It's not bad. The majority of them sound like they're on public land. Not really private, but forgot my jacket. The truck. I'm new at this. I haven't been doing it very long. What's up, y'all? It is afternoon hunt for me here, Missouri, rifle season, opening day. Had to take Pops back home. He couldn't particularly handle the cold along with the pain. He had 2 surgeries back to back last year about this time. A knee replacement, and then actually it was a back surgery and a hip surgery 2 or 3 days apart. So that's a lot to endure, plus the cold. He just wasn't able to do it, so I'm gonna take him up to my honey hole. I don't know, I promised him a deer, so I want to try my best to do it. But I'm headed back out. We're gonna see what this evening holds in store for us. Stick with me right here on Free to Climb. We'll try to get it done this evening. What's that?
Seen anything this morning?
I seen a button buck. I was off the second ridge over here. Yeah, but that's about it.
We ain't seen nothing back here.
Really? Did you go pretty far back, or all the way to the
All
end?
the way back.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Ain't hardly any tracks back there at all.
My goodness.
Ain't no hunters back there on the field.
I bet not. Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like bucks up there. That's there. Oh well.
Sure does. Yeah. Yep, I see it. Well, you guys come back out this evening? Or you gonna?
We'll probably go somewhere else soon.
Yeah.
Be back out in the morning.
All right. Well, good luck to you.
All
Be
right.
safe. See y'all.